Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to look at the Lewis structure for ClO minus ion. It is a chemical name of hypochlorite, and to determine its Lewis structure we are first going to look at the number of valence electrons for this molecule. So here we have one chlorine atom, one oxygen atom and an additional electron. So we are going to consider all these electrons when we are looking at the total number of valence electrons. Here chlorine atom has 7 valence electrons, oxygen has 6, and this additional electron will be added to. So in total we have 14 electrons for hypochlorite ion. Now we are going to place chlorine and oxygen atom next to each other like this. To show a bond, we are going to place a pair of electrons between chlorine and oxygen atom. So now we are left with 12 more valence electrons, and we will try to complete octets of both these atoms. So we'll start arranging these electrons around oxygen first. We will arrange 6 electrons around oxygen and 6 around chlorine. Doing that, we will be using up all 14 electrons, and hence this is the Lewis structure for hypochlorite ion. And I hope this video helps you to understand that easily. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.